everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have time traveled back here at the Renaissance. Oh man, this is going to be so great. We're here at the Santa Fe Dam for the 60th anniversary of the Renaissance Fair. So if you're ready, I'm ready. There is so much to actually see inside. Let's go. Check this out. There is a TARDIS here. So I knew it. I knew for a second, being here at Renaissance Fair, that we were going to definitely see a TARDIS. Now we definitely got to find the Doctor Who. Where's the Doctor at? Now it's actually pretty cool. They do have a sign that says you can push it there, but you have to ask for assistance first. But I don't see anybody around, but it's okay. Actually, it's pretty cool to see the police box here.
Oh, that was a good one! Oh, we have two good ones. Wonders, well. Would you like to pet my fish? His name is Jeffrey. He's not very good at walking. It's kind of hard when he doesn't have legs.
Babe, you want to go dance?
You can go dance.
You don't want to go dance?
I don't think we're dressed appropriately.
You know, I did like the fact that she had the story of kicking the bucket.
Look how far I kicked it.
Oh, you're funny.
I need a partner to show you.
A partner.
Aye. See, the free hand
Free hand.
and a partner, you can still clap together.
Hey, clap, clap.
There you have it.
Hey, hon. Huzzah! You know? Huzzah! There he is, Captain Jack Sparrow. Oh man. Dude, that was actually pretty cool to see Captain Jack Sparrow and then to see those dances. Those dances are pretty cool. This whole place is like, it's like a 360-degree experience, you know, when you're here. It's just we didn't get dressed up this time around. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
I think next time. Hey, I actually like it. We were just talking to the squire of the Blue Squad. But I told him, dreamers will always be winners. We're here at the Queen's Joust, which I'm kind of excited about. I'm glad we actually chose this one because I kind of made a mistake. And I think I bowed to the wrong person.
You thought was the queen.
I thought
it was the queen.
And then we were passing by. I was like, there's the queen.
Huzzahs! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Good gentles, one and all, we welcome you to the tournament field of Port Deptford! For this fine gentles, one and all. Beautifully paraded gentlemen.
Nice.
And now, competitors, I say to you, hop, hail Elizabeth, our queen. The Order of the Moon and Lion! So, Otter, the field is yours! So, Maximilian, the field is yours! But I think here we go. Maximilian turns and he charges. And they charge.
That her humbleness was on that stick that's so far up. You know what I'm about to say.
Working it. He is going. The Westfield is still not plowed.
So what I'm hearing is because Pip is in London selling turnips. So told you this. He didn't delegate who was supposed to tow the Westfield until he got back. He didn't say, so we can't.
See what I put up with on a daily basis.
Hey, see water, Bob. Well, we got the wrong water. Hey, stage hands. Hey, we got the wrong water here. Will you please bring us our water? Sorry, guys. Opening day, you know. Stage hands. Stage hands. Jonathan. Did you murder dead Bob Stage hands? He's not denying it. All right, anyhow, nobody's coming. Can we use this? Yeah? Cool. All right, see water, Bob. Well, Sludge drinks this bottle of Aquafina Smart Water. I don't know what smart water is, but I'm guessing it's not bottled anywhere near here.
Man, you definitely know you're going medieval when you're sitting on hay. Hay. Now, we definitely got the Scotch egg, that beautiful thing right there, and then we got some jalapeno poppers. Thank you, my lady. Sorry. It's gone medieval. That's really good.
Get out of your mouth.
It's all over. It's okay. It's all over.
It's like breakfast.
Dude, look at that. Jalapeno popper. Why not, right?
Wrap.
Bacon wrapped jalapeno popper.
Is it good?
Oh, the bacon is nicely crispy.
Looks crispy.
It does. Man, it has been such an incredible day. Not only just vlogging, but also just hanging out with my beautiful, beautiful wife. Looking at some jousting, looking at some ladies, or I'm trying to get a terminology into it, like huzzah. I like huzzah. I don't know why it's so like huzzah.
But if they come, they definitely have to see the jousting because it's fun.
Yeah, you guys gotta definitely come out. They do have 3 different joustings. I think it's like correlated to 3 different times, where it ends off in one championship, right?
I think so.
All right, brats and bangers. I got the banger. Oh my gosh. You know, I rarely ever eat a bratwurst here. Oh, stage hands. Huzzah! That is a banger. It actually tastes really good. Not too bad, not too bad. A solid 5. Solid 5. I love it. All right, guys. So real quick, we're gonna show you something. If you're not into sword swallowing, turn away.
Yeah.
Turn away. We're just gonna show it to you briefly. So this is actually pretty cool. The guy actually swallowed a sword. Check it out, guys.
Oh man, I'm so glad I came back. There you go.
guys, the Queen's College is right here. The workshop, the special events that they have here, textiles, arts, Venetian paint masks, Viking weave. There's a lot here to actually get. It's actually workshops on daily from 10:30 to 5:30. So if you guys do want to come out and have some arts and crafts, come on and check out the Queen's College. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure right over here at the Renaissance Fair for the opening day here at the Santa Fe Dam. Oh man, I got to do something I've always wanted to do when I was little, because my favorite cartoon of all time is still Robin Hood, and I got to get some archery done, and that was amazing. As well as, for me, I love the Middle Ages, and I love to see myself a good jousting. If you guys love this awesome Renaissance adventure, make sure you guys give it an awesome Middle Ages thumbs up. If you guys love the content I bring to you guys all the time, make sure you guys are subscribed, because we have a lot more fun adventures coming your way. And also, share my videos with your family and friends. Now, if you would love to own your own Adventurez merch or even support the channel, I'm gonna have those links down below in the description, so definitely check them out, as well as those other links for my latest videos and my fun adventures. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.